Hey everyone, welcome back to CodeNFacts, where we make Python simple, fast, and fun. In today's video, we are diving into something that every Python developer uses, that is JSON files. Whether you are working with APIs, web apps, or AI models, JSON is everywhere. So today we will learn how to read, write, and parse JSON files in Python, all with super simple examples. Let's discuss. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation, but don't worry, you don't need to know JavaScript to use it. It's just a way of storing data in key value pairs. Let's see. Here, name is Ajay, age is 22, language is Python. It's a lightweight, human readable, and Python supports it out of the box using the JSON module. Let's start by reading a JSON file. Import JSON with open function. Data.json R is used for read a file. Data.json load file, print data, and print data name. Here, JSON load function reads JSON data from a file and converts it into a Python dictionary so you can access it easily. Now let's create and save our own JSON file. Here is the example. Import JSON student, and with open student the JSON W is used for write, and json.dump student file indent equal to 4. Here json.dump writes the dictionary into a JSON file, and the indent equal to 4 makes it look nice and readable. Sometimes JSON data comes from APIs, not files. So you need to convert JSON strings to Python and vice versa. Let's discuss an example. Import JSON string is name, CodeNFacts, type something. Data equal to JSON.loads JSON underscore string. Print data name. Here, new underscore JSON is equal to JSON.dumps and print new JSON. Here, JSON.loads is for reading JSON strings, while JSON.dump function is used to convert the Python objects into JSON strings. Now let's handle something real like nested JSON data. Let's see. Data and name grades print data student grades AI. So in real world APIs, JSON is upper nested. You just keep using keys to access inner values. It's like navigating through folders. So let's combine what we learned with error handling from the last video. Here, try with open information.json.r is used for read the file. Data equal to json.load print data except file not found error, that will be printed. File not found, please check the file name, and accept json.json decode error, print invalid JSON format. So this makes your JSON operation safe and professional, especially when working with API data. And that's how you read, write, and parse JSON data in Python, simple and powerful. So let's recap. JSON.load is used for read JSON from file, and JSON.dump is used for write JSON to file. And JSON.loads and both JSON.dumps are used for convert strings. If this helped you, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to CodeNFacts for more hands-on Python tutorials. See you in the next one. Till then, keep coding, keep creating.